As you know, when you make any configuration change, those changes will be updated into the Cisco running config, and the Cisco IOS will perform all the instructions from the running config. However, those changes will be lost if you restarted the router for any reason. In order to retain the change after you restart the router, you need to save it into the startup config file. At the router privilege mode, you need to issue the command rmem, then hit enter. You can also issue the command copy run start and hit enter. Those two commands will save all the change from the running config to the startup config. Let's do it now. Here we are at the Telnet client. Let's log in, type password, and let's view the running config. Show run brief. As you can see, the host name is Telnet client and the enable secret password is set up. And also we're going to see that the fast Ethernet 00 is configured with this IP. And let's see, there's some more change here. The console 0 is also configured with the password, and the live VTY is also configured with the password and required to log in. Now let's view the startup config by issue the command show start and then hit enter. As you can see, there's nothing changed in the startup config. The host name is stay as a R3 and no other configuration has been changed in the startup config. Now let's issue the command rmem to save the configuration from running config to the startup config, and let's review the running configs once again. Show run brief. Everything looks good, so this is still the same running configuration. Now do the show start. All the chain has been updated from the running config to the startup config. The host name is Telnet and the enable secrets password is set, and the IP address for fast Ethernet 00 is so set, and also the live console and live VTY password is set and required to log in. That's it. So all the configuration has been updated from running config to the startup config.